Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T Pro, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool. This thing comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And if you can find it, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you get one of those, you want to take off the cover of the phone. There we go. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. Simply grab the tool, trying to get the focus and the light too. So as you can see, there is the tray. There is two little pinholes, as you can see, one here and one here. Make sure you pop it in the one that is closer to the edge of the phone, the one that is also part of the tray itself. You can see where the pin is holding right now. So simply push it in and the tray pops out. And once you take out the tray, you'll have space apparently for just two different SIM cards. So there is actually no space for SD. So that's a little bit unfortunate. But yeah, just place it like so with the chip upwards. And you can put it on either side. So you can put it right here or on the back side of it. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. It doesn't matter though which way you put it back in. So as you can see, you have that tiny little hole right here. Make sure you put it again the same way. So with the little insert hole being to the left side. So right here on the edge. And from there, as you can see, it will start reading the card automatically. It is asking me for a PIN for my SIM card, so I'll quickly confirm this. And that is the SIM card functioning already. So that is how you insert it. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.